okay if I grab a little chair instead. Just because I'm like, my legs are sliding off. Alright. I'm sure I'll see many of these faces in the near future, each and every one of you guys. Short cover for y'all.